Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use Pushcut for multi-step automations. So just tap on a Pushcut app and officially logged in. And before you log in, you will just have to purchase the plan. And after purchase the subscription, you will just get the more extra features like this. And Pushcut enables multi-step automations through its various features and integrations. Here, how to use Pushcut for complex automation workflow. So number one is a notification based automation. So you can just create a push cut notification with multiple actions. Each actions can run a shortcut or open a custom URL and use the keep notification option to execute multiple scenes from one notification. So when you just buy the plan of it, and you will be able to use it. So the next step is also that run shortcut and scenes automatically on your automation server. So automation server is set up a dedicated iOS device as a pushcut automation server and create server actions for your shortcut and HomeKit scenes. So trigger server actions through schedule locations, notifications, webhooks, API, and that's it. This is you can just use it multiple automation from it, but before using you will just purchase the plan monthly, annual, or lifetime. So that's it. This video help you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.